How to fix Bluestacks error code 2004. Hello everybody, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first step is to check whether or not you have a stable internet connection. If you do, the next step will be updating the app. So go to your Bluestacks for Android and see if you have the updated version or not. If not, simply update it to its latest version. The next option is to offload your app. To do so, head over to your settings, then apps, and then find Bluestacks app, and then go to its storage section and tap on clear cache. Sometimes the problem might be because of the server. If it is so, wait for some time and it will fix on its own. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.